Hey guys, happy Sunday. It's actually 10:43 p.m. my time, and in today's video we're going to go over the breakdown of that one trade I took last week that ended up being a loser and the chart markup for this week, all in one video. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe, and what? Watch the video. Telegram channel, June6th straight from the Telegram chat. Now, it says here, the first and only trade I took was on USD CAD, and it broke through, passed the daily level, it retested daily level, and rejected it. So it met all my entry criteria. But in the end, I was completely wrong, and I actually admitted it. Obviously, and nothing wrong with being wrong. You have to be okay with being wrong. As much as that, I actually put in the caption, as much as it sucks to admit that I was completely wrong, I was wrong. It happens, right? But check it out. In the end, it came out being correct. So, that's actually a better feeling than being completely wrong. Being wrong, but just having the wrong entry, which is what you have to work on, obviously. Now, let's go to the trading view chart and Markup our charts for the week coming up. Let's see here. We'll use S&P 500. Let's see if actually I think these daily levels are valid for the S&P 500 still, because it's technically ranging. It's ranging. Once it breaks through these, then we'll play these. But for now, we'll just let it be as it is, and I'll actually post these on my Telegram channel, of course. Now, if you noticed, it bounced off these daily levels perfectly. Right, so keep that in mind. Now, if you don't want to trade obviously the daily levels like I do, just mark the charts up like I did, and just watch how they bounce. Watch the rejection, watch how they bounce, and just see how easy it is just to enter the trade without hesitation. Let's go to the next trade. If you press the space bar, you can do that. USD CAD is up next. It looks like, let me take out this volume profile. Actually, let me show you what a volume profile is, guys. There's an indicator. If you go down to the 1 hour, you can see it more clear. It actually tells you when it's most active. So if you see the big spike right here, you can go over it. It actually tells you at 11 o'clock it was at its highest volume, meaning there's more traders trading it. So if you look at the high bars, you'll see 6 a.m., 7 a.m., and then it kind of dies down at 9. Now the next day, 6 a.m., it goes up again. 7 a.m. and then by 9 o'clock it's down again. So knowing that, guys, you can actually find a pair that fits your time zone wherever you might be. So if you know that you're going to be awake from 6 in the morning to 9 and you actually have time to trade that time frame, you use that volume indicator to figure out which pair actually matches the time you actually have time to trade, and you can catch the big moves without having to worry about getting stopped out, because that's what happens on low trading hours. Okay, let's see, daily. Let's go back to the daily. For USD CAD, we have the daily level, here. The most recent one is here. Let's do up here, and then the most recent one would be right there. And then we can put it down below right here. We can put it down at the bottom of this wick. And I actually see one. Let's put it at the very bottom down here. And the reason why I leave breathing room from the entry price, guys, I leave the breathing room here because the first plays of the week never actually work out. Like the best plays are going to be made between Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So that's why I leave a little space, because it gives me some breathing room to actually enter without being worried about which direction it's going to go. So I'm more sure of the levels when it hits Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I kind of don't really trade Mondays unless it's completely obvious, which it's not. So that's USD CAD. Again, these charts are going to be posted on my Telegram channel, guys, so you can actually copy daily levels. From earlier in the video, you can see the Telegram, it actually went down into profit, and now it looks like it's going back to break even. And it's completely valid, except the fact that this daily level I don't want to play because it's the beginning of the week. So I'll erase it, and we can actually move the daily level to here, like that. And that's the chart for Euro USD, guys. Literally, that's what it is. So these chart markups aren't real time. I'm probably not going to edit this. And again, this will be posted on my Telegram channel. Now, the next pair is USD JPY. Actually, we'll delete that one. It's at the top, so it's either going to bounce back down and play these daily levels, or it's going to continue upward. So that's a play that we might want to see this week. Here's a chart. I don't need to change it because it didn't move much, but look at the last week. It actually bounced off of this perfectly and went up. Guys, that's it. That's my charts for the week. Let's have a good trading week.